doing our first video of our prom series. And basically what we're going to do in each video is do our makeup, and then my mom's going to do something with my hair. And then we're going to try on the dress, but all of our dresses are from Wish, but we're going to fix up the dress to make it look better in like an actual prom dress. They weren't that bad, but they aren't that good. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first I'm going to use the Lock-It Primer by Kat Von D. After that, we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. After that, I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Next, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier powder. Next, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Shadow Insurance. So I'm going to put some tape on my eyes and I'll be right back. So I got my tape on. Now I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to be using this dark brown on the outer edges. So now I'm going to go in with this black, and I'm going to put it on the outer edges. Now I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to get this color. I'm going to put it on the lid. So now I'm going to go in with this color, and it's a Makeup Forever palette, and I'm going to put this underneath my brow bone. So now I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. So now that we got the brows done, we're going to put the lashes on. Okay, so now that we did that, I smoked like my lower lash line out and everything, and I put the lashes on. So now I'm going to get the stippling brush, and I'm going to brush off all the powder. We're going to go on with some blush from Marc Jacobs. So this is the blush. Now I'm going to blush my face. Okay. So now we're going to use this highlighter. Okay, next we're going to do the lips, and I'm going to be using this MAC in Cream Sheen Hot Gossip. So here is the completed makeup look. I really like it. The eyes are very dramatic. So now let's do the hair. So here is my hair, and I'm gonna turn it around. That's what it looks like. And now for the dress. So here is the first dress, and this was $15, and I got in size medium, and I'm 5'1", and I'm 100% humility, and it's really tight kind of on the top part, but the skirt fits really good, and there's really nothing to fix with it, because it's pretty good for $15. But here's the back. It's like a black, I put a black bra on, and yeah, that's basically how it looks like. And just to brighten it up a little bit, I'm gonna add something to the skirt, so I'll be right back. And we added a little sparkle by getting this fabric at the fabric store and making it where you can slip it on over the skirt, and it looks like this, and it really gives it a little more poof and a little bit more sparkle, so yeah. So here was the dress and the completed look from Wish. But the makeup wasn't from Wish. But there's my hair again. And I've added some earrings and everything. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell. Leave the like. And I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!